right here. This is called the Rift Exhaust Company. This is by far the sickest, most high-end exhaust kit you can buy for your vehicle. So this is full titanium. It's numbered 1 out of 18, so there's only 18 of these systems in the world. All these cuts right here are individually pie cut. They're all butt welded, connected at the seams, and then welded all together. As you can see, this looks like a work of art, guys. It does keep the factory valves. These are vacuum valves, as you can see right here. It does have a muffler in there, so if you did want to go quiet, you can close the valves up, and then you have that quiet feature, which is really sweet. And then when you open up the valves, it's pretty much straight piped right out to the tips. I mean, just look at it. Sick. You got an X-pipe crossover flow right here with that Rift exhaust plaque on there. If you guys are interested in something like this or something of this nature, of this caliber, we sell it, guys. So we sell everything from the least expensive exhaust systems to a Muffy D to the most expensive systems, $10,000 Rift exhaust systems. The system actually weighs about 50 pounds less than the stock system, which is awesome. As you guys can see, I did literally lift this thing up. Super light, man. I mean, easy. It's already got the wrap, got this flat gray finish, got the HRE gold wheels. This car is pretty sick, man. I mean, nice. Got the interior, got the box stitching. I mean, V10, dude, you can't ask for much more out of a vehicle. You got the stock RS style exhaust system. That's gonna pretty much stay the same. The tips kind of fit right behind the tips, so they finish right there on the inside of the tip. And you're gonna get some exposed exhaust system right through here. So it's gonna be full titanium. Got that Rift, that blue titanium Rift exhaust. It's gonna be a little exposed right here. It's gonna look pretty sick. Got the R8 up on the lift. We found the lift points already. Got to make sure you find the lift points. Look it up, guys. If you don't know where the lift points are on the R8, look it the fuck up. You don't want to ruin the guy's car. Got the tires off, baby. See how smooth that was? We're gonna slap a R8 performance exhaust on here now. And fender liner out. Wheel wells out, heat shield out. We got pretty much everything exposed on the inside. We still got to take off this back bumper. Once we get that exposed, we'll have pretty much the whole exhaust ready to take out. A couple hanger bolts, a couple vacuum lines, and this thing's ready to go. Heat shield out. Again, same thing, exposed. Exposed its exhaust. Look at this piece of shit right here. Check this out. Get that camera in there. You see that secret bolt? That's exactly what I was talking about with the Audis. Just put them in through the grill and everything. Yeah, shouldn't be that big of a deal. Taking off the top bolts that hold it to the heat shield. We're slapping off this stock air intake box so we can get to the V-bands on the exhaust. Unfortunately, nothing's easy on this car. So we finally got the back bumper off. We got the rear wing off. Everything's pretty much exposed. Once I get these boxes out, we should be pretty much ready to go to unbolt the exhaust. Just unplug the mass airflow sensors. This one's of course completely backwards. You can't even get to it. Got the bumper off, air intake's off. I'm trying to disconnect these V-bands. These things are seized on there. So we're about to just pry these off. I got this side already. You see this thing's loose. So I'm just trying to pry these things off. And then the exhaust should be on its way out, guys.
The guys are throwing on this heat shield right now, which kind of sucks because it's going to block all of the chrome, all of the blue, all of that. It's not going to look as fresh, but guys, safety first, you know what I mean? It's going to reduce all the heat so it doesn't go and grill the bumper.
We're about to crank it. Got the Rift installed. Hope everything's all right, guys. Fucking sick. The most expensive exhaust in the world done on this Audi R8. It's a 2020, got the V10 5.2. We got this thing sounding like an absolute beast. Came out sick. Still riding the gold HREs, man. I mean, this car is just specced out. We got the exhaust done. I mean, dude, came out great. The customer is gonna love it. It pops, it bangs, it crackles, it spits. You got some backfires, and that's with a stock tune. This thing's completely stock. Just has an aftermarket exhaust on there and some HRE wheels and the wrap, and that's about it. So if you need an exhaust, you got a supercar, you got a Lamborghini R8, a Ventador even, bro. We're working on all of them. Let us know. Hit us up in the comments, DM us, reach out to us. Like and subscribe, guys. We did this video for you guys. We didn't need to record all this nonsense, but we did. We watched the whole process for you guys. So, G-Exhaust out.